Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with an LED illuminated star in the grille, 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition, illuminated running boards, a black MB-Tex interior with aluminum trim, panorama sunroof, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of clean floor mats, cargo cover, fold down third row seats. This one does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist and lane keep assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which comes with steering wheel controls, also with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, a push start ignition. Also, this one does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera, front and rear sensors. We've got our hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS 450 has 35,768 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.